Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from system errors with Lenovo detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific system error on your Lenovo device. Ensure your device is turned on and fully charged. If the screen is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds to force a shutdown. Wait a few moments before turning the device back on. Observe if the error persists after rebooting. If the error appears during startup, access the recovery environment. To do this, repeatedly tap the F1 or F2 key as the Lenovo logo appears during boot. Once in the recovery environment, navigate to Troubleshoot options. Select the option for Reset this PC. Choose to either keep your files or remove everything, depending on your preference. For a more advanced option, select Command Prompt from the Troubleshoot menu. Type in relevant commands, such as sfc/scannow to scan for corrupted files. If you face further issues, consider running a system restore from an earlier point. Go back to the Troubleshoot menu and select System Restore. Follow the prompts to restore the system to a previous state. For users familiar with Lenovo's one-key recovery, this can offer additional options. If available, press the one-key recovery button while the device is off. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore the system from a backup. Once you have completed your recovery steps, restart your device and monitor for issues. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Lenovo support for further assistance. Document any error codes or messages for reference when contacting support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.